Hello chemistry enthusiasts, 1 minute to answer this question. Leave your answer in the comment section of this video, after which you can come back to the video for a detailed answer. Now this question is from organic chemistry, and we have an organic compound which we are told to name. Now looking at an organic compound, the first thing you have to do is to identify the longest continuous carbon chain. So looking at this compound, this should be the longest continuous carbon chain. So by looking at this and counting the number of carbon within we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for a 5 carbon compound, it takes the prefix pent because pent refers to 5. So this is a pent. The next thing we are going to do is that, looking at the compound, there is a double bond. This is a double bond here. So we have a double bond, and we are going to find out what is the position of this double bond, because normally alkenes have single bond, but now we have something replacing a single bond, in this case a double bond. So we are going to find the position. And how can we do that? We are going to number. Now you can either number from left to right or from right to left, but whatever numbering pattern you are using should give your functional group or your substituent the smallest number. So let's number. So from left to right, I have carbon 1, I have carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, and then carbon 5. From right to left, this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2, this is carbon 3, this is carbon 4, and then this is carbon 5. So if we use our forward numbering, this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2. Immediately after carbon 2, you see your double bond. So in our forward numbering, we have 2. So I'll write it on this side. So from our backward, this is carbon 1, 2, 3. So with our backward numbering, we have 3. So between 2 and 3, which is smaller, it is 2. So because 2 is smaller, we are going to use our forward numbering. So again, this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2, this is carbon 3, this is carbon 4, and then this carbon 5. So I'm not going to use the backward numbering because the forward numbering gives us the smallest possible number, which is 2. So because I can see the functional group after carbon 2, this is going to be a pent 2, and double bond belong to the family of alkene. So take note of that. They belong to the family of alkene. So we are going to replace it with this name in. So this is going to be a pent 2 in. So this is the parent compound, pent 2 in. So the next thing, we can take this as a name, but in this case there is something that is not hydrogen, because naturally when we talk about hydrocarbon, they contain carbon and hydrogen. But in this case, we have something here that is not carbon, and this is on carbon 4. This bromine is attached to the 4th carbon. So we are going to write it as 4. Bromine is regarded as bromo in this case. Bromo, pent 2 in. So the name of this compound is a 4-bromo pent 2 in. So I hope you got the answer. See you in the next video.